welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kayla Rundle, and today I'm finally driving my freshly swapped Camaro. It has a 416 in it. It is max effort, naturally aspirated. I got all the work done here at GPI, otherwise known as Gwatney Performance. This is my very first drive testing out my new power. It made about 602 on the chassis dyno to the wheels, so it has an insane amount of power. And I'm also going to be breaking in my brakes a little bit. I got the Wilwood SX6Rs in the front, along with the Aero 4 caliper big brake kit in the rear. So I do got to break those in because they will take about 4 or 5 times as much more break-in as a normal new set of rotors and pads would be on a car. So I'm super excited to take you guys along on this ride. This is my very first drive in the car. I've been working on this for 45 days and I'm so excited. All right, let's get going. And it sounds so good. God, I always get like a sunburn right off of that. My window's not working. There, that was weird.
Probably when the battery's unplugged, maybe?
Yeah, it's super weird though. I'm nervous. Wow, this shifter's difficult. Oh, I feel so tall on this thing. Oh God, why does it feel like I'm not driving my own car? Oh God, the cam's so much bigger. Oh God. The shifter stick. I'm like so freaked out.
On the new shifter?
It's so pretty.
Are we on E?
Yeah. Oh my God.
That is rowdy.
I've never...
Traction.
I can't even talk. Yeah, but I've never like chirped tires. Like I didn't even release the gas for a second and it chirped tires as soon as it hit 4,000 RPMs.
Turn traction off because that was...
God, that felt good.
Yeah, it did.
It just feels so smooth.
It's healthy.
Very healthy. Oh my God, it is so smooth. God, it sounds so good and it's perfectly idling at 1,000 RPMs. It's crazy to have like so many new things all happen at one time.
Shifter.
Yeah.
New motor. New cam. Brakes.
I think the cam's tripping me up too. So fun. Jesus. It doesn't bog out. Do you remember when it bogged out when I shift? That was so smooth. Oh my God, it's so smooth. I don't know if that's the tuning or what. Oh, that's so impressive. I was so shocked when I released. I thought it was gonna like bunk us forward like it typically does. God, I can't even describe how smooth it is. Do you feel the same way?
Oh, yeah.
And the oil pressure is really nice. Oh, it's just so smooth.
So much torque.
Oh my
So much
gosh. Like I'm in 4th gear right now, it never pulls that much. It's such like a weird change because you're not used to a car feeling almost. It feels almost more stock in a way, like it's how stock cars should feel. God, this is gnarly. Well, I'm on a turn. I don't know like how fast it's actually gonna be, but. I'm almost scared to go faster. I'm like, why does it keep going faster and faster? I'm in third gear. Oh my god.
Oh my god! That torque, it just keeps going.
Third gear? What?
Do another pull. You're like a fastball here. Yeah, do a little second gear.
Oh, what was that? My,
Bubble wrap.
oh god, it grinded. I'm not used to this shifter. Oh god, it's so smooth. The bubble wrap.
Oh my god. I wasn't expecting that brake.
Really? I need to break the brakes in a little bit. God, that feels so good. Needs an alignment for sure. Oh, that's so impressive. Do you smell that too? I think that's my brakes breaking in. That was like that pure brake
That was a
smell.
combination of brake and tire.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm like shaking. It's weird. I was like, I'm driving on the highway in third and fourth, and I'm like, why am I going so fast? Because I love it how you would never expect it has this much power too, because you don't hear
It
it.
doesn't even sound like it.
Because you don't have that turbo sound, you don't have that supercharger whistle, you know, where you're like, oh gosh, better stay away. You're like, oh, it's just a girl driving an NASS. Oh, she probably makes, 450 max. Nah, we're over 600. This is ridiculous.
For an NA car to have this, that you can just rev out to
Oh my gosh.
7,500. I don't even know what your red line is anymore.
My red line's 7,300. I can't even describe like how smooth the motor feels.
It feels like an NA car. So much.
Like feel much. This is how much torque we have at 3,000 RPMs. This is why we don't have a charger. We're not getting pulled over. So I don't want to. That's why I don't do anything crazy on the street. It's never worth it.
Guys, we were just doing literally 200 miles an hour.
No, we weren't.
250.
God, this thing's so much more aggressive. It's hard to shift with like the shifter being so much like stiffer. I'm like having to shove it in first. Oh God, this thing feels like a beast. This thing's so fast. I can't. I'm like scared to keep going. That is unreal. Oh my God. I'm like so nervous. It's like I'm on a first date. Oh my gosh.
First date with a Camaro.
This is unreal. Oh! I'm shaking. Can't feel my hands. Oh, this is like the best decision of my life.
I'm jealous. I want this motor.
Oh my gosh, this is unreal. I wish I could give every single person that like watches this a ride, because it's so hard to explain, because you always see people's reactions of like being excited, but you never know how it actually feels. If I can describe like the smoothest and most effortless power that just like is instantaneous, instant torque, instant horsepower, no matter how fast you're going, like this is the most perfect build for any situation. Oh, it's unreal. With supercharged cars and stuff like that, or like turbocharged, like you'll be driving and it's like decently slow, and then all of a sudden it hits, so then it like feels faster. But this is like pure power all the way through. Feels so good. How do you feel, Sam?
It's awesome. Really awesome.
thank God we have those bigger brakes. Like when you have that much power and you can't slow down, when I would hit like 100 with my previous brakes and stop, my other brakes would like heat up so fast I wouldn't be able to stop at anything higher than 100. So if you're like going 100 and coming up on things, you can't stop whatsoever, but that stopped really well.
I can't believe that you like almost locked, well not locked up, but ABS kicked in. I've never had your ABS kick in even at full.
Yeah, the ABS is kicking in. It kicked in pretty quick. It was like da 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 da.
I was like, whoa, I've never felt this brake pressure out of the Camaro.
God, it's really hard to get into second. It's hard to go left.
Yeah,
on the shifter.
The bushing is really tight.
To get into like even first, like even when I'm just sitting here, I'm like struggling. Shit. The car is back on the lift because we are going to be installing the Cook's high flow green cats on my car. This is to be able to pass federal regulations because my car is registered for street use. For this build, I wanted everything to be street legal and fast and usable and drivable and also road course able. The high flow cats will make it so I hopefully won't lose power because I am NA. And since it is high flow and they're really good cats, hopefully it doesn't restrict power too much. I might be able to put the car on the dyno after we get these cats on. A lot of shops don't install cats often, but we do it right here. Have to be legal. And this is my previous setup. They're just like connector pipes. So the cats will be in replace of these.
Probably.
They are warm.
I'm fine. Hey. So I guess the power thing is being done by nice. Okay, cool.
We got a camera car in the back. What's going on here, Kayla?
The exhaust clamps aren't fitting on the new cats. So I don't know if we need new clamps. All right. Got long nails. We're doing this. It's not. The worst part about the Civic is taking off all the plastic pieces. I love that these bolts are just super loose. I'm just taking off a 10mm with my hand. Okay, where's my oil pan? I'm gonna guess that it's a 15. Hey Sam, can you grab me a shop rag?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It'll be good.
Is there gonna be open headers with like holes in the weld?
No, it's not
Darn.
that bad.
No popcorn?
It's sealed.
You do it like this though.
Yeah, once you get done with your show or whatever and you take the cats off.
You have the wire brush and the
Exactly. Max, do you have a trick with oil filters to where you don't get your hands all dirty?
Have you already gotten it loose?
No, I was just asking because so many people do it in like so many different ways. I always just get my hand.
You crack it loose, drain everything that wants to drain. I mean, your hands are going to get dirty either way, unless you just...
So you don't have a clean method?
I'm just going to make it in the Duramax.
Oh, yeah.
Sam, I got you oil.
Yeah, I can't wait for you to do it on the Duramax. That's a real fun job. It's not dirty or anything.
Hey!
My God, Max, I need this thing. I've never seen like an oil filter thing like this ever.
200, yours.
Is it $200?
Nah, that's what I'm going to charge you for it. Hey, they're like fucking $60.
Well, I have like the strap ones. I don't know how much oil this thing takes.
Yeah, I don't want to launch strikes.
It's gonna do.
I take care of my cars.